slightly different video to my usual ones. I've bought myself an old MG 1972 or 73, I can't even remember, and it's just been picked up from Swansea and coming all the way to Essex. It's now 9:30 at night and the guys should be here any moment to deliver it. So I don't know what I'm going to do with the car at the moment. I haven't even seen it. It was just something I picked up off of eBay. Looks pretty good in the pictures, but I'm prepared for the worst that might happen. It might just need a quick tar up and it will look nice, which going by the photographs almost looks like it could be the way. But as with any old car, and this is about 45 odd years old, you don't really know what you're going to find once you start picking at it. So I'm hoping these guys will be here in the next 10 minutes and let's see what I bought. Right, the car's just arrived and he's reversing it in now. It looks good.
Hello mate, you alright?
Yeah, you alright?
Yeah, I'll just pull that round a little bit more so maybe.
Yeah, good.
We do a motif here.
It's my brother's place.
Oh, right.
I was going to take it to my son's. My brother says, I've got space, why don't you bring it here?
Yeah.
So here it is, and my first time seeing it. It looks filthy. The wheels are black, but the guy I bought the car from said he put wax on them to stop them from rusting, and he reckons that when I give them a clean with a bit of paraffin or something, they'll come out really nice. A little bit of rust up there. The bonnet is a bit lumpy. That looks like it will need to be taken back and resprayed. Same down here. In actual fact, I don't know if you can see that in the camera, the bonnet is really rough. A little bit of rust up there. Yeah, it's a bit of a rusty one. As always, these things look a lot better in the pictures than what they do in real life. Inside, that's the old hood. The guy mentioned to me that he's had the seats recovered, so they'll all come out quite nice once I give that all a clean. Carpets look a bit manky. I'd already seen that from the photographs and had decided that I was going to put black carpets in here anyway. Moving on to the hood, again it's a new hood on the car, which is another little bonus. Apparently it's got new hood, new seats and a new petrol tank. All these little things add up when you're doing a restoration job. I don't really think I'm going to go mad with this. I'm not looking to do a concours job or anything like that. And in here you can almost see what the wire wheels are going to turn out like. But yeah, it's very good inside here. Got no rust in here at all. That's an added bonus. So, the engine. Apparently it's had a gold seal engine fitted to it at some point, but everything there is looking very, very rusty and dark. I never like it when the inside of the engine bay is painted black. I always think it looks so much nicer when it's painted body colour. It's not something that I think that I'll be doing, but I will tidy and clean everything up. Radiator looks fine, I hope. yeah, just a bit of a clean up. And these things here, I imagine, must be for air filters, which are not here. Here's a little switch for the Kenlo fan, which is that thing down there. Looks like you can sort of turn it up to different speeds. So inside here, inside the car, it's got an aftermarket sort of walnut or walnut effect dash until we haven't. Be nice if that bit is somewhere in the boot, but I doubt it. Coming round to the back here, I've got a couple of, there's a hole there, there's a container there, and I can see a battery strap there, so that obviously must be where the battery goes. And well, if it focuses, no, you're not going to focus. Any case, that's old money. So I'm back home now. It's now 11:30. As you saw, the car is not quite what it looked like to me in the photographs, but I did kind of make an allowance for that. And yeah, it would have been a little bit far-fetched for me to expect any more, really. So I'll take that on the chin. Still happy with what I bought. So I'll go back down there tomorrow and then start stripping the car down and having a look at all the bits and pieces. I think one of the first things I've got to do is try to get it started. And also on the industrial estate where my brother's garage is, there is a bodywork garage, and I might ask them what they would charge me if I prepared the car and just got them to put the paint on, nothing else. I'm thinking I will primer it, mask everything up as well, get everything ready, just literally push the car in to their garage, get them to put the paint on, then we push it out and I'll flat and polish it all myself, hoping that I'll get a good price for something like that. So let's see how we get on tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll continue watching to see the rest of this series.